In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a quote on Xero. Editing quotes on Xero can be a very handy skill, especially if you're running a business or in charge of creating and sending quotes to clients. Whether you made a mistake on your initial quote or just need to update information based on new agreements, Xero makes it quite simple to do so. Let's walk through the process, step by step, ensuring you can confidently edit your quotes on Xero by the end of this video. Firstly, once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the Xero dashboard. This dashboard acts as your main control center, allowing you to navigate to different sections depending on the tasks you need to accomplish. To reach the Quotes section, you'll need to navigate to the Business tab. This tab is typically located on the top navigation bar within your Xero dashboard. Simply hover over or click on the Business tab and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, locate and click on Quotes. Upon selecting Quotes, Xero will present you with a complete list of quotes you've previously created. You can conveniently browse through these quotes or make use of the search function if you're looking for a specific quote that needs editing. Once you've found the quote you want to modify, click on it to access the Quote Details page. At this stage, you're in the editing phase, where you can make the necessary adjustments to your quote. Xero's interface is designed with user-friendliness in mind, so you should see clearly labeled fields for all the information included in your quote. This includes client details, the services or products quoted, prices, and more. Take your time here to ensure that all information is accurate and reflects any changes or updates you need to make. After making your changes, it might be a good idea to double-check everything. Editing quotes often requires meticulous attention to detail to ensure every piece of information is correct. Errors in quotes can lead to confusion, misunderstandings, or even negatively impact your relationships with clients. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save your work. Look for a Save button, which should be visible on the page. Clicking this button will update your quote with all the changes you've just made. A small tip: Xero might prompt you with a confirmation or provide options such as Save and Send Later or Save and View. Pick the option that best suits your next steps with this quote, and that's it. You've successfully edited a quote on Xero. Maintaining up-to-date, accurate quotes is crucial for smooth business operations and professional client interactions. Remember, if you ever need to make further changes, you can simply repeat this process. Thank you for tuning in to our guide on editing quotes in Xero. Whether you're fine-tuning a quote to match your client's needs or correcting a small typo, you now have the knowledge to smoothly navigate this process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Until next time, keep managing your business finances efficiently.